Hey there, and welcome to Alpena. Today, we're going to introduce our new heavy-duty misting fan. This is a perfect product if you're out camping with the family, having a nighttime barbecue in the summertime, or working in a hot garage and looking for a cool off. The Alpena heavy-duty misting fan has 4 speeds, a continuous intermittent mist mode, RGB and white LEDs, perfect for both work lights as well as party lights, an extremely lightweight portable design, as well as a built-in battery bank to charge your phone. From the job site to the backyard patio, Alpena's heavy-duty misting fan offers real cooling technology for any environment. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for even more engineering from Alpena's Airflow team.